அமைதிக்கு பெயர்தான் சாந்தி. இந்த அழகினில் ஏதடி சாந்தி. உறவுக்கு பெயர்தான் சாந்தி. இந்த சாந்தி. உன்னோடு வாழ்ந்த சில காலம் போதும் சாந்தி. மண்ணோடு மருந்து நாள் வரை நிலைக்கும் சாந்தி. அதுபோல் the sun begins at east in the same condition and also disappear in that same condition. What it means? Because the sun and goes away from that earth with that same distance. That is why the sun look like a moon, and also the reddish and golden color even in that daytime as well as in that evening time. The same manner we used to come to this world as an infant with sans teeth, sans eyes, sans sense and sans taste and sans anything, any attachment in this world. In that second childhood is also, we are also embracing with that same condition. Everybody is used to say the sun rises in the east and sets in the west, but actually the sun is never set in the west nor rise in that east. The sun is appear and disappear. Okay, the sun appear in the east and disappear in the west. It is the conditions of that sunset. It is the time I am taking this video of that sunset time while traveling in that Karakal Express to that Bangalore. Conditions, yes. But in the Rameswaram, we can enjoy that sunrise in that same condition. But from Osur Karakal train, we can enjoy that sun disappearance of that sun, because sun, it is a very cool and gentle, beautiful. It look like a burning bowl. Disappear in the west, it will exactly 6 o'clock, it will appear in the east. Likewise, we are born and lives somewhere in this world, and as a small child, infant child in this world, some particular time we used to, now immediately the sun is disappear. The sun is hid by the and great thick cloud can disappear the sun, and it is a temporary disappearance of that sun is disappearance. It is not that permanent one. Yeah. உதய சூரியனின் பாதையிலே உலகம் விழித்து கொண்ட வேளையிலே இமயத்தில் இருக்கும் குளிர் காற்று என் நெஞ்சத்தை தொடுகிறது. அவர் வர வேண்டும், அவர் தர வேண்டும் என்று ஆசை துடிக்கிறது. La la la, everywhere the beautiful green, beautiful vegetations, because of that rain, water gives more beautiful face to this soil. Sun, some of the vegetations become yellowish and also died. It attained that maturity. It is absence of that water. The sun only responsible for water as well as drought in this country, in this world. So, which is that deciding authority of that vegetation life of this earth is either it is sunlight or now is appear. The cloud is cannot disappear that sun. Likewise, some of the honest people used to get some problem by that shielding effect of that fellow human beings. But that dishonest try to conquer that honest. But finally, honest only triumph. Honest only win you over in this world. Honest people will be prized, will be honored. Dishonest people cannot get that success at that end. Just like this sun is more important to my dear friend and over. Now enjoy this beautiful sun. It appears just like street light, but actually that sun is the very very greatest things than that earth, than anything, because in that universe the sun வானாகி மண்ணாகி ஒளியாகி ஊனாகி உயிராகி உண்மையுமாய் கோனாகி யான் எனது எனது என அவரவரை ஆட்டுப்போனே வானாகி நின்றாயே என் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துவனே வானாகி நின்றாயே அப்படின்னா the God is appear in that sun, like that sun. It brings that great happiness to all the people as well as sadness. And now that Chennai and Thoothukudi and Karaikal, many more districts and confined with heavy rain driven because of that sun only. இல்லையா நெடுங்கடலும் தண்ணீர்மை குன்றம் தடிந்தடிலி தான் நல்காதாகிவிடேன். அதாவது கடல் நீர் கூட திரும்ப ஆவியாக சென்று திரும்ப மழையாக வராவிட்டால் கடலும் கூட வற்றி ஒரு பேரின் லேண்டாக இருக்கும் என்று வள்ளுவர் கூறுகின்றார். கடல் நீரை the சுத்திகரிப்பு, the purification process and also the epidemic disease enzymes and hormones will be killed by that sun only. There is no sunlight, there is no rain, there is no life, there is no development in this world, there is no health and good conditions to all the people. Sunlight, so give respect to the sun rather than many other things. So worship that sun and no natural elements, air, that is everything. The air is also and provided by the trees. If no air, we cannot survive in this world. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope definitely you will and subscribe, share my videos with our friend. Thank you friend, thank you. The train is moving very fast than that rotation of that earth is more important. Earth is revolving itself as well as revolve around that sun, and the one circle completion of this earth around that sun is called 1 year. Yes, 1 year. 1 day rotation of this and earth itself is that 24 hours, that is known as that 1 day. And how it is excellently classified, some of that, and people and water is lodging in this small area. So the 5 fundamental elements like water, land first, land, water, air and heat and also the sky. These things are essential to lead that peaceful life and also successful life of this. So they look at that sun color it's getting, and red is conditions. We are also in that conditions. It will focus its lights towards some other part of this earth. Thank you so much friend watching my videos, and subscribe regarding to this. If that train will go slowly, we can enjoy that beautiful things for this coconut forest, mango forest, and some other and things. And also the aircraft is such a wonderful. The train is moving such a great speed from that Dharmapuri towards that Bangalore to give that passage to some other important train from Bangalore regarding we are here. Thank you so much, friend. Just I would like to post this video to enjoy that beautiful scene of this. Some people is making that paddy cultivation there and beautiful house and surrounded by that many coconuts, hundreds of coconut tree. But for this required only for that 12 coconut trees with that topic of plantation, and also this border is also cultivated here in that spot. Thank you, friend, watching. Thank you so much. I am this coconut forest. I am to get that view here as well as many more things from here. Whether it is how much this camera is picturized, this beautiful big forest area. We got a paddies and good conditions for that harvest, fully ripened and matures. No human beings to make harvest. The next thing is that papaya plantation and mango grows along to that many houses, and border is also supposed to have some kind of, and also number is